Discover a game-changing free app that can help you unlock endless income opportunities while having a blast with exciting activities. Join me in this video as we explore how this app can turn your leisure time into a rewarding experience, blending earning potential with pure enjoyment. Before we embark on this exciting journey, do ensure to subscribe and activate notifications so you never miss out on our enlightening videos. I am committed to sharing powerful and successful strategies for making money online that can be implemented from any corner of the world. Your engagement is highly valued. Please share your country in the comments below, enabling me to tailor content specifically for your region. Now, let's get started. Make money while having fun. Introducing RewardZ, the free app that turns your day-to-day activities into rewarding opportunities. From shopping to playing games, every moment can now contribute to your financial well-being. It's not just about the money, it's about enjoying the ride towards financial growth. Join the countless users who are effortlessly boosting their income through a blend of excitement and satisfaction. With RewardZ, you can turn your leisure time into a productive and enjoyable experience, all from the convenience of your smartphone. Here is how you can make money on RewardZ app. First way to earn by surveys. Share your opinions and get paid for it. Answer surveys on a wide range of topics and earn cash rewards. Your valuable insights are not only helping companies make better decisions, but also adding to your wallet. Second way to make money by completing simple tasks. From easy online tasks to more involved assignments, RewardZ offers a variety of opportunities to earn. Complete tasks like data entry, testing apps, or writing product reviews and watch your earnings grow. The third way is playing games. Turn your gaming skills into cold, hard cash. RewardZ features an extensive library of games to choose from. Whether you're into puzzles, strategy, action, or simulation, there's a game that suits your taste. Play and accumulate points that can be converted into real money. The more you engage with RewardZ, the more you can earn. Take advantage of special promotions, bonuses, and loyalty rewards to maximize your income potential. It's not just about playing and earning, it's about making the most of your time and effort. RewardZ provides a flexible and accessible way to boost your income. Whether you're a student looking for some extra cash, a stay-at-home parent seeking financial independence, or anyone in need of additional income streams. Wonder how you can cash out? Well, when you're ready to cash out your rewards, RewardZ offers various payout options such as PayPal, ensuring you can access your money conveniently. Don't miss out on this chance to earn and have fun simultaneously. Download RewardZ now and start reaping the rewards today. Before we wrap up, we have a quick request for you. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends who might also be interested. Your support helps us create more informative content just like this. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos about making money methods. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.